That's not enough. This is enough. I got this stuff on Instagram from this brand that I learned from another YouTuber who does van life videos. Aim in a Van or Amy in a Van, however you say her name. She's this young lady that has been living in France in a van with her little puppy, and she did a partner video with this brand. I think they're German, like, I don't know, a while ago. And she's from England, but yeah, and so I've been following them ever since, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna buy something from them, so I did. I got this knife, which is for cutting cheese, and then I got a set of 4 steak knives in the gray color, because I figured gray would be nice for a change. And I got this in-drawer knife organizer, which is pretty heavy. It's wood, as you could see. And I figured it would fit nicely in one of our drawers, hopefully. Then I could store some knives in. It has like different things. I don't know. There's a demo online. Thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, this is for cutting cheese. Made in Solingen. I don't know where that is. But I'm pretty sure these are German. I can't read that because it's not English. But that is. Wusthof. Yeah, it ain't cheap, but that's why I was like, let me just get a few things. Just get a few. That's what I did. My drawer is not as pretty as I would like it to be right now, but I like totally organized it differently, just like a little bit differently, so I could fit this knife holder in here. And it actually, I feel more secure now having my knives in this organizer. These knives, at least. So yeah, it's not so bad. These things actually, I got this from Bath & Beyond a while ago online when we were first living here a couple years ago. Almost a couple years ago. So this thing can expand or retract. And so now I move things over and this fits in here. And I have like this knife, this long knife, which I think is more for cutting bread, but I don't eat bread, so I use it for other things. And I got this nice knife, like other knives in here, so it'll hold nicely. And I feel more safe keeping it in there. And then like, see how this is? Like you could expand it. This one, I think, yeah, this side opens up even more. This is a little bit of a mess. I really want to get like organizers still to put in here, but yeah.